Good afternoon, folks. So I am here out in the garden to show you one of my personal favorite herbs. The plant you're looking at right now is called lemon balm. Now, lemon balm is in the mint family, and one of the signature ways you can tell is if you take a look at the stems. She has a square stem. All mint family plants have this signature square stem. So lemon balm specifically is what's known as a nervine. Now, nervines are any type of plant that has particularly soothing qualities to your brain and nervous system. So lemon balm, in particular, is really good at helping us handle anxiety and depression. And this is because she lowers our cortisol levels and can, like chamomile, assist with kind of allowing the GABA, the oxytocin, any of your happy chemicals to work like they should. So by lowering that cortisol, it allows the rest of the compounds in our system that do help our brain function better. And in that, she helps with anxiety and lifts our mood. She's got a really beautiful citrusy type smell and taste, and is a really delicious tea. I actually don't even mix any sugar or anything like that into the teas when I make an infusion. She just tastes so good, especially in the summer. She's very like lemonade type flavor. And actually, if you mix the lemon balm infusion or tea with lemonade, it's delicious. So, more about her effects. She calms restlessness and just puts our body and our mind at ease. And all of these things combined really will also help with relieving insomnia. So by lowering that cortisol, she helps us get on a more regular circadian rhythm, a lot like chamomile does. And she is also very soothing to the stomach and for indigestion, which most mints are, but this just makes her all that much better for if you're dealing with anxiety that also comes with like a nervous stomach ache or an upset stomach. And I know I've had that a lot in my life, so this is why she's one of my favorite herbs. I will use her pretty much any time of the day, but I really love doing either an infusion in the morning to really start the day, or one in the evening to really put things to bed and just relax for the end of the night. She does pair really well with chamomile, so if you do a lemon balm chamomile mixture, which I actually have, so I have the lemon balm patch here and the chamomile, which I harvested earlier today, over there. So they go really well and grow really well together. So lemon balm, wow, can also like lower blood pressure a little bit. She's not real drastic with it. I wouldn't use her in place of any other medications or anything like that, but she can bring down that blood pressure and calm the thyroid because she, in a small way, slows down the production of your hormones in your thyroid. So, and a lot of those are very fight or flight kind of hormones that we deal with, like cortisol. As a type of mint, she's also very antiviral, which a lot of mints are, but particularly her. She is very high in quercetin, which is a very strong antiviral compound or flavonoid. And so she is really good if you got one of those colds or viruses or even like a flu going around. She can help repress those viral loads. And you can use her both externally, topically, or internally, both. So if you're dealing with something like cold sores or shingles, something like that, you can use her both internally and externally to really help repress that viral load and break any fevers you might be dealing with. And as a mint and pretty benign plant ally, you really can't overdo it with her. She's actually fairly safe for kids to use. So between lemon balm and chamomile, those are actually both pretty safe herbs for younger folks to use. I would not do lemon balm if you are pregnant, because mint family plants can cause some problems. However, chamomile is a good replacement for lemon balm if you are pregnant at that time and just need that relaxation and for your nervous system to just take a breath. As far as that, she's also very, very mildly antispasmodic, and can help deal with cramps as well. So if you're dealing with, some minor cramps for, during moontime or something like that, she can help out with that, as well as just relax your system and keep you from getting sick. So I absolutely love lemon balm. She is one of my favorites. I will make an infusion of her pretty regularly. And infusion, I just pour about 1 ounce to 2 ounces of the dried plant matter into a French press. And then I pour the boiling water over the top. You can also use a mason jar. You don't have to use a French press, but I do either way. Pour the boiling water over the top, and then I let it sit overnight or throughout the day. And I will drink it, 12 to sometimes 24 hours after I've made it. And what that does is it's a lot more plant matter that you're infusing into a concentrated tea, and it gives you a much, much more valuable nutritional benefit from the plants. Sometimes just for taste, I'll do like a small amount of tea, like, half an ounce of the plant matter. But if you're really going for nutrition, try making an infusion. Let it sit for much longer than you would for a typical tea. That gives the plants time to really steep in that water, and for the boiling water, hot water to cold water, to pull all those beneficial compounds out for you. Lemon balm really helped me through some mental stuff that I've gone through, mostly related to anxiety and depression, but she's been a beautiful plant ally that I've leaned on a lot and has really helped get me through. And I know she can do that for you as well. So we're working on getting some lemon balm available for you all. As you can see, we have a pretty good healthy patch here. And I would really like to do both tinctures and teas as well. So I will let you know when those are available for you. When they are available, they will be on wildbloodherbs.bigcartel.com. And you can find a lot of our resources there, as well as YouTube. Please subscribe on YouTube. It really does help kind of keep me motivated to keep making more videos for you that I really hope will be beneficial. And visit us on Instagram as well, wildbloodherbs. And last but not least, another shameless plug, wildbloodherbs.bigcartel.com. And we'll see you there. Thank you.